Welcome, beautiful people. This is the house of Sony. So today is the big day. We are supposed to go for the game ride at Masai Mara. This is the second day. So we are supposed to start 7:30 till 4:30. But because of the rain, I don't know what will be the plan later on. It's 6:30 in the morning, and this is the view outside my villa. Oh, what a beautiful walk this is. Night I kept hearing noises, funny noises on the rooftop. So this is what it was. Look at this. The baboon family. What a perfect spot for breakfast. So Francis and me are here.
Hello.
We have started our safari. Only two of us in the jeep, as you can see. We are going to collect the others. They went for the hot balloon, so we are going to pick them up from there. They are having breakfast. So this is the breakfast arrangement done in the Masai Mara Reserve. We are in more difficult areas, more bumpy roads because lions are deep inside. Tell us about that 18 family of a lion.
One of my favorite flight is the one I would like us to see today. It's called Victory Pride.
Pride.
Yes, it has 18 lions, 4 big males, that is one father and the 3 sons, and then we have 7 females, and then we have almost 7 cats. Yeah, that's almost 18. Yeah, so that's my favorite flight. If you see it today, my friend, you like it.
Wow.
And I like it when they are on the move, especially when you meet them on the main roads walking. Yeah,
We have spotted the bride. There are 18 lions inside with the cubs. Oh my God.
kama unataka
Look at this
kupiga
one.
kubwa, kama unatoka pale kuvuka baroni kuingia kushoto.
Oh my goodness. There are 18 of them.
So this is the pride I was telling you about. There are 18 of them, yeah.
Lazy lions.
All success.
Kama tumeondokea.
Look at this one.
Juu kuna gari nilikuwa nimeona pale juu. Sio kama wanatupiga picha. Ukiangalia kwa ile kamti, unaona kuna gari imeacha hapo. I'm done with my mission now.
And look, and
so
he's
happy.
having a banana after that.
I'm so happy.
Relaxing and having
Yes,
a
I'm so
banana.
happy.
And here, look at this. So we were the first ones to trace this pride lions, all 18 family together. So now Francis is giving them the right location. So all the other jeeps are going to come here.
And when you come to a place like this, like Masai Mara, with hectares and hectares of forest land, which is basically preserved for the wildlife, actually come to think that this planet doesn't belong to mankind alone. You know, it's meant for all kinds of living creatures. So as the moment we start appreciating the fact that this planet Earth also belongs to animals,
Very
people
well
would,
said.
yeah.
Bhalo lagche. Very nice, very nice. Awesome experience. Oh, look at this. Lioness peacefully. So she's actually posing. She's posing for me. Can I take her home? Oh, what the walk. Oh only this was left. One paw was like my face, right? So heavy. And I like that the one who was sleeping with the paw on the tree. Relaxing.
Relaxing, holding on to the trees.
I think they have a flat tire, so now they all help each other. See how they are going to help others who are stuck. That was a challenge. Oh, these children are clapping. He's very happy. He's saying thank you to Francis. Francis is the hero of this whole show.
That side also it is walking. Strolling around, looking for some food. They were trying to kill us wild boars with the mist.
What did I just see, guys? I just see. This is the walk I was waiting for. And thank you, Francis. Salute to you.
Chasing. They are thirsty and having drinking water.
All satisfied. Happy faces. All happy faces. So we are back for lunch in this pretty place. So we are going to the Masai Mara village. They're all tribals there. And we are going to see their village.
Pictures, videos, no limit. Take as much.
So he has taken $15 from each.
Did you see lions?
And then you can take pictures and photos and videos and whatever you want.
Masai, they normally kill lions for them to get like married. So if you want to marry, you need to kill a lion.
Oh,
So this has been killed by our father, Chief. The one killed this one, he killed 7.
oh my goodness.
This is what our father used to kill lion, only 9.
Oh, he's killed 7 lions.
So when they go kill the lions, they usually go as a group of 10 warriors.
I want to know 3 things for us to know to keep fit. So he's translating.
So he said,
Huh.
the 3 things you need to do, maybe if of 90 years. So he say, first thing, you don't want to be lazy. So
Lazy.
you need to work. Maybe you can go look after cattle. Second thing, you need to take a natural meat.
Natural
As he
meat.
say, my father never owned the vegetables.
Oh,
So he say he like a lot of natural herbs, like medicine, natural herbs, and also meat. So he like meat, natural meat. He doesn't want vegetables. The other thing, he say the one that you can take, it is to respect. Maybe he has like he believe that he want to see all the family. So he pray
family.
like he pray for him to live long.
This is the weapon.
lion tail.
This is an actual lion tail. Oh my god.
Directly.
Yes, we don't kill a cow for us to drink blood. What we do, we use bow arrow. You know arrows?
Yes.
Yeah.
And a cow has a jungle vein, that we tie out, the blood come and then we drink while it's hot. All people, welcome to our home. This is where we live. This one family. Okay. So inside the home,
This is all one family. 133 people.
and all the people we are one family.
Cute hai baba. That's so sweet.
Bedroom where 10 years and above children stay.
Okay. So this is the kitchen. And this is, and it's all dark. I have to put on the light.
So are you happy for the house? Yes. Next time when you come, Maybe come sleep here.
Okay.
So first of all, this is the work of ladies in our culture. So ladies build houses, not men. So if they see a man building a house, then no good.
Beautiful faces, happy faces. So they have a competition in jumping, and the one who jumps highest gets married. So within brothers they have this competition. One guy is married like 7-8 times, and they are all his children. So they are all brothers. Look at that. To get a beautiful wife, you have to do this. All are so fit, mind you. Look at them jumping. Oh my goodness.
Mungu akisema wageni wakuja huku, tutakuwa tunakuja hapa. Mtu ni nani?
That's how they make money for the living. Taking Dixon to India. That's what his brother is saying, right?
Take him, give him Indian lady.
Ah,
You come for your cows. Dowry, we pay dowry.
okay, dowry we don't need. He is very smart. We will
No
take
dowry?
him. No dowry, no dowry.
And then
India,
there,
He is smart.
no jump.
And no jump. Here they have to jump to get a wife.
That's
So
very nice.
in India you don't have to.
Let's see how the Maasai tribe ignites fire without a matchstick.
नहीं सैंड पेपर से
अच्छा sand
ऑलिव का वो है
डंडा.
ही इज रबिंग
That's how they have started a fire. You are good at bargaining?
No, but I want to buy for sure.
Yeah,
so
please bargain then I'll also buy.
we buy many, but you give good price. What about zebra?
Yeah. Oh, look at the. So now we are going back. It was an amazing experience in the house, and they welcomed us so well. I think whenever you come to Kenya, you must visit them. Masai Mara, then you have to come to this village. Oh yeah? Rata?
Village.
Village, okay. Good.
Wayarata village.
Yes, please come to their village, whatever they say.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, India? Okay, bye-bye, India.
Bye.
Yes, very nice people. You don't feel like leaving them. They have been so cute. So, Sarova team has done this arrangement for us. Thank you. So this is the lady we want to thank. Thank you, Meeta, and the whole team. Thank you so much. A sunset here, which can't be captured in a camera. This is nature at its best. So we have come for dinner. After this we'll call it a day. It's been a very tiring day today, but such an exciting one. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you.